The next generation Renault Megane is called Megane eVision, but with a golden E. With French cars, there is always a story and a message behind every line of design and behind every color. As the chief designer at Renault, Laurens van den Akker, said on his Instagram profile, "We changed the signature color for our electric technologies to yellow gold, a premium material for a premium and high-tech technology, with a touch of Vasarely, because what is tech without art?" Victor Vasarely was an artist famous for his optical art, a style of visual art that uses optical illusions. The yellow gold can be seen on the roof of the car and a couple of other details. Dual-tone capture is a success, so it was a matter of time for other models to follow this trend. They plan to start manufacturing it by the end of the next year, and some smaller changes are to be expected, but probably nothing huge. They said this is 95% of what the car will look like. Comment how do you like it so far. So what could be different? For starters, the rear view mirrors. They'll probably be classic mirrors instead of these slim cameras, and maybe the door handles would be more like on current models. As was the case before in history, if we watch what the manufacturer does with its concept cars, you can guess which way their design is going. Looking at morphos, you can see how Megane eVision was born. It was foreshadowing for a while, wasn't it? The headlight signature from the latest generation of the Renault family is still here, but modified. Front and rear lights are an homage to a 1972 logo designed by Vasarely, the same artist from the beginning of the video. The headlights on Renaults are something different even today, and you can easily recognize it from far away. Now these front headlights connect in the center around the logo, and they have vertical stripes, reminding us of the Vasarely logo that was retired about 30 years ago. For a few years now, the front badge was getting bigger and bigger, but now it's a bit smaller again. The first Megane was launched in 1995, ever since it was a huge success for the company. First generation was available as a hatch, sedan, MPV called Scenic, Estate, Coupe and a Cabrio. Over 7 million units have been sold in over 40 countries. The next generation will bring a lot of new stuff just as the first one did. It will come on a new alliance platform called CMF EV. Thanks to it, as they say in Renault, they were able to break the rules of size, use, design and energy efficiency. They believe this car will redefine the hatch. From the outside it looks like a coupe SUV crossover, it has huge wheels and seems pretty bulky, but actually it's only 4.21 meters long. This is about 15 centimeters shorter than traditional hatchbacks. Inside they claim it has room just about as any current hatch. So how did they do it? Well, apparently it's all thanks to the new full electric platform. It has an ultra-thin 60 kW battery that is only 11 cm high. That is the key part, as it enabled better aerodynamics and a range of 450 km for now. There is a new electric powertrain on the platform that is compact and requires less space in the engine compartment. That opened up space and the air conditioning unit was moved forward. The floor is flat thanks to the ultra-thin battery, and the car has a low center of gravity with a long wheelbase. This combination usually means good comfort and agility. Flat floor opens up additional possibilities for the interior, and it all adds up to the roominess claims. The platform has 3 charging options, one of them being fast charging, and it can recover 200 km range within 30 minutes. But what about the performance? It is powerful and fun to drive, as they claim in Renault. Indeed, the motor is quite strong, 160 kW or about 217 horsepower. It is described as sporty but efficient. The performance figures will be impressive once the car is announced, and this is a promise straight out of Renault. More than 300 patents have been filed for this car, as they say in Renault, and this car is just the beginning for the new family of cars in Renault that will come on this new platform. Fortunately, the interior is still a mystery, but what do you think of the exterior design? Leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe.